कौन सा?
सेकंड क्वेश्चन ही बोलिएगा। स्टार्ट कर दिया?
हाँ जी।
कहाँ था अपने पेज जिसमें एक डिस्कशन ले लेते हैं, ये था ना?
हाँ जी,
नहीं नहीं, कौन सा बोला था ये आपने?
ये बोला था।
ये बोल रहे
2 ग्राम of benzoic acid
2 ग्राम ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड
dissolved in 25 gram of benzene.
2 ग्राम ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड डिजॉल्व्ड इन
25 gram of benzene
25 ग्राम ऑफ बेंजीन
shows a depression in freezing point.
shows a difference
Depression
shows a depression
freezing point
in freezing point
equal to 1.62 Kelvin.
1.62
Kelvin.
Okay.
Molar depression constant
Molar depression constant
for benzene is
for C6H6
1.6. No, sorry. Benzene is 4.9 Kelvin
4.9 Kelvin
kg per mole.
Kelvin kg per mole.
What is the percentage association?
What is
Percentage association of acid?
percent of association of
Acid.
benzoic
If it forms double molecule, means dimer.
benzoic
Dimer in solution.
forms dimer
In solution.
in solution. So 2 gram of benzoic acid dissolved in 25 gram of benzene shows a depression in freezing point 1.62 Kelvin. Molar depression constant for benzene is 4.9 Kelvin kg per mole. What is the percentage of association of benzoic acid if it forms dimer in solution? So again we will see what things you are given. So mass of solute, mass of benzoic acid is given to you, that is 2 gram. Mass of solvent, mass of benzene that behaves as a solvent, that is capital W is given to you, that is the 25 gram. Delta TF depression is shown 1.62 Kelvin. And molar depression constant Kf is 4.9 Kelvin kg per mole. We have to calculate percentage of association. In the same way, we can use the formula delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into small w into 1000 divided by capital W and capital M. So we substitute the value that delta Tf, it is very clear to us. I value is to be calculated, Kf value is given to us, mass of solute is also given to us, molecular mass of benzoic acid we can calculate because we know the formula, mass of solvent is also given to us. So we can substitute all these values with that help we can calculate value of I. So delta Tf is 1.62, I is to be calculated, Kf 4.9, and small w that is 2 gram, 1000, molecular mass of benzoic acid 122, benzoic acid का formula C6H5COH and its molecular weight will be 122. So 122 into molecular mass, mass of solvent is 25. So with that help we calculate the value of I, and value of I comes out to be how much? Value of I, it comes out to be 0.504. 0.504. Now we can calculate value of alpha by using the value of I. So in case of association, value relationship between I and alpha is equal to 1 minus I into n over n minus 1. Okay, where n is the number of moles which are undergoing association, and in case of benzoic acid, 2 moles of benzoic acid are aceting together to give 1 dimer. Dimer means the 2 moles are combining together. So 2 moles are combining together, so n value will be taken 2. So here alpha will be equal to I is 0.1 minus 0.504 into 2 divided by 2 minus 1. So it comes out to be 0.496 into 2 divided by 1. So we can multiply 0.992. So in percentage of accretion, that is 0.992 into 100, that is equal to 99.2%. So this is the answer. So in this way we can calculate the degree of the association. In the previous example we take degree of dissociation. Okay, one more problem we can discuss, one more problem or not?
I wish.
Okay, I am giving one example to you. A number of times that problem has been asked. You are given 3 solutions or 4 solutions, and on that, among them you will ask you that which solution had the highest boiling point or highest freezing point. Let me take question 3. There are the following solutions, which one has the highest boiling point? And solution is 0.1 m NaCl, 0.1 m urea, 0.1 m barium nitrate, and 0.1 m aluminum sulfate. These 4 solutions are given to you. All these 4 solutions have same concentration, 0.1 m, 0.1 m, 0.1 m, 0.1. So far as number of moles of salt are concerned, it looks same, but actually these NaCl, barium nitrate and aluminum sulfate, these 3 solutions, in these solution there will be dissociation. NaCl will dissociate into sodium ion chloride ion, barium nitrate will dissociate into barium and nitrate ion, aluminum sulfate will dissociate into aluminum sulfate ion. That's why they will have different colligative property. Because urea does not undergo dissociation or accretion, that's why we can consider urea has minimum lowest value of colligative property, that can be considered 1. So let urea, which is non-electrolytic, has colligative property is 1. So barium NaCl will have colligative property 2. Barium nitrate will have colligative property 3. Aluminum sulfate will have colligative property 5. Could you follow or not? NaCl will dissociate Na ion and Cl ion, so 2 moles हो जाएंगे. Barium nitrate will dissociate into 1 mole of barium ion and 2 moles of nitrate ion, so total will be 3. Aluminum sulfate will dissociate into 2 moles of aluminum ion and 3 moles of sulfate ion, so total will be 5. So they have different colligative property. So we can have one relationship between colligative property and boiling point. Boiling point is directly proportional to colligative property. So which one has highest colligative property? Aluminum sulfate. So that's why aluminum sulfate will have the highest boiling point. Okay. Now next point is, you can give or not? Hmm?
No.
It's okay. Thank you. I think all these problems may be clear to you. If you have any problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp number is with you, or phone call you can do. You can contact me through phone call for any problem, for any
Write
query.
your WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number.
WhatsApp number are 8437287282.
Only one.
Okay, and contact number 843728782 and 798651207. There is time. You can. Dear friends, I want to clear one main point. The topic which we discussed, particularly for board examination. So, if you like it, you can share, you can like, you can give some comment. If you want to some improvement, or you want video some other topic, so you can call me, you can contact me as you wish. Okay, thank you.